Welcome back. In this lecture, I'm going to explain you what should be the right place to put script tags. And really, it's very important. So try to understand where should we place the script tags. So I'm going to explain this with the help of an example. So I am taking the same program which I have explained in my previous lecture, and you know that in this program we are trying to find out how many division elements we have in our document, and then I'm going to display the number of division elements on my web browser. So let's execute this code first and see the output. So I am going to execute my index.html in a Google Chrome and see the output. There are two division elements. We got this result, and this is the exact result. Now let me change the position of script tags, and let me copy these script tags, and then I'm going to put these script tags in the head section, right? And then I'm going to save my document. So let's execute your index.html file once again, and this time see the result. So there are zero elements. So what is happening here? Why we have zero elements here? So let's see this, and let me explain you what is happening here. Well, I taught you in my previous lecture that your browser, it will always read your document from top to bottom. So let me draw my line here. And while your browser is reading your document from top to bottom, it will maintain a document object model. So your browser is first going to read this line, then this line, then the line number 3, and so on. And at some point your browser will reach at line number 8, and when your browser will execute line number 8, so the browser will load jQuery library, right? And then the browser will execute line number 9, and then your browser will immediately execute these two lines, like line number 10 and line number 11. Well, at line number 10, see, at line number 10, your jQuery code will try to find out all division objects from the document object model. But the point is, your browser have not executed these two lines. So that is why these two objects are not available in the document object model. So you are trying to find out division objects in a document object model which are actually not there. So that is why we are getting a result 0, right? So I recommend that whenever you want to put script tags, always put your script tags right before the closing body tag, right at this point, right? So that is the best place to add your script tags.